What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, hope you're doing alright, and in today's action-packed episode we're gonna be watching some more epic stuff, some more idiots in cars. This is episode number 127, so yeah, with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. Alrighty, let's see what's in store for us today. You know, R and D, it's kinda hard to tell them apart. Oh, look at that! That pole position has some self-healing options. That's neat. And the store owners finally had it off. They were like, nope, these fools are never gonna learn. So we're gonna put some dingleberry-friendly poles, just to be safe. Oh, hello there. This is what happens when you buy an Autobot instead of a car. He's on a mission. Oh, would you look at that? The Snow Circus is finally back in town. Look at them. They're competing who's gonna get more pole positions. So far that white SUV is leading. He has one, which could be enough for a victory, but anyways, let's see here. Oh, you're stuck. I'm gonna help you out. Whack! Oh, hold it, hold it. Oh, that was a nice 180. And the driver of that silver pickup truck is like, damn man, it took me 1 hour to get here. And look at these two geniuses. 900 IQ right there. I only wish we could see what happened after the lights turned green. Oh, that's painful to watch and also to listen to. And by the way, is that car parked illegally? I think so, because it's too close to the intersection. I don't know the laws over there, but I think it's illegal. Correct me if I'm wrong, but let's see here. Oh, is this a road rage? Oh! Nice job, my dude. Nice job. It's always nice to do something nice, you know? We need more of that. Power! Yeet! That guy woke up today and decided to go full power. No regrets. And that guy apparently likes to collect the snow. He's a snow collector. Whoa! Dearie me. Like I said many times, people are way too distracted. Don't worry guys, I'll save you a seat right next to me in hell for laughing at this. I feel bad, but it's so funny. That was a panic move. And he was a rookie rider probably, but anyways, let's move on. Oh, for a minute I thought he was doing a burnout, but nope. His engine probably decided to take a little sip of that sweet, sweet oil. Careful, careful, man. What the hell was that? I will never understand some people. You hear wee woo wee woo and you decide to, yep, it's time to go. That's just an ice cream truck. It's unbelievable. Damn, bro. It's safe to say that his world turned upside down. Moving on. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Oh! 2 drops of pee came out right there. That dude is living in the GTA. He came out of nowhere. He probably played it a little bit before doing this. Nothing to see here. Everything's under control. Everything to get the job done. This truck would pass every inspection, safety inspection in the world. No problems. It's in mint condition. Factory. Oh dearie me. It's very wet out there. This is where the good tires come in handy. Oh, hello. Everybody was like, oh no. Anyways. Nobody even pressed the brake a little bit. Oh, whose Christmas tree is that? Hey boss, I'm gonna be late for my work. Why? A Christmas tree attacked me. Oh, hell no. Walmart is wilding out there. That was a big crash. It looked like a scene straight from the Final Destination. But anyways, on to the next one. That Lada is like, out of my way, peasant, some speed, baby. Put some money into your brakes. That would help. Oh, we have a Mustang versus Camaro, if I'm not mistaken. Whoa! They switched roles. The Camaro this time went full Mustang. This is how you arrive in style on a petrol pump. And he was like, fill it up, partner.
What are you doing?
Uh-oh, here's another get the hell out of my way situation. But let's see how this one will end.
Oh my god!
Could be worse. He was struggling a little bit, but he did it eventually, so it's all good. Let's see here. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And into the ditch you go. That's that one famous dance before you end up in a ditch. But luckily he was fine, so no biggie. Break, break, break! That one was close. It's 12 o'clock. That was a big red, like a house. Some people really shouldn't be on the road. 100%. Oh, this will be very interesting. You're good, you're good. Come on, back it up a little bit. You're good. No, you're not good anymore. Stop, 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 stop. Oof. I don't actually like bullying people into doing something. That SUV needed more time to back up, but the trucker was like, I'm going in. Good luck, everybody. And that's not cool. Oh, someone's in a hurry. Oh, you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. He was very optimistic about that corner, to say the least. No! Well, at least there's some good news. The airbag is working. Well, that's the price you pay for not paying attention. So, moving on. Hold it, nice and easy, nice and easy. Mind the bush. Oh, congratulations, you're in bush position. Nice. Oh, easy there, cowboy. Oh yeah, brake track the semi. Yeah, we all want to see that. We all would like to see that. Just carry on. Ooh, that Audi went berserk. He was carrying way too much speed. Hey, yo, watch out, man. I hate it when people pull stupid stunts like this for no reason. It's annoying as hell. But let's see here. And they kissed, and guess what? It's not BMW's fault. For the first time in a while. Oh. That was well parked, not gonna lie. Entry speed perfect, angle is perfect, 10 out of 10 really. Oh, hello there, curb rider. I honestly thought the Tesla is gonna do something smart. But I was wrong. Oh no. That trailer went full Tokyo Drift. And it completely messed up our dashcam truck. Here we have some more snow action. That guy's like, it's dry outside, let's go, power! And here goes the dance. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And into the ditch you go. Well, the more you mess around, the more you find out. That's how it goes. And he definitely found out what's at the bottom of that ditch. Oh yeah, go ahead. Be my guest, just take your time. There's nobody else on the road besides you. You can just chill. And by the way, the drivers in my city have a bad habit of driving way too fast in the school zones and in the city, and then on the open road they drive like snails. They are so slow. And it's weird and it's dangerous, but it is how it is. Meow. Welcome to the Fast and Furious from Wish.com. You get what you get. Oh, he got a pole position against his will. That Lada just whacked him like there's no tomorrow. But anyways, moving on. Beep, 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 beep. You hit the tractor, you dumbass. Imagine your sat-nav telling you that. That would be hilarious. Hold it, bro. Hang in there, buddy. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. You can do it. Come on. And hell yeah. That's how you do it. My man was fighting for his life. But he did it. And that's always a great thing. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and also whack that like button and subscribe if you want to see more of this, of course, and leave a comment as well, because I always enjoy reading them. So yeah, thank you very much for the support. I love you all. That's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.